Santa Marta, Colombia. Santa Marta, a city in northern Colombia, is the perfect blend of modernity and nature. This beautiful city is famous for comprising the tallest coastal mountain range. Santa Marta is enriched with one of the most beautiful bays in America, amazing food, and delightful people. Did you know Pablo Escobar, one of the world's wealthiest drug dealers, was born in Colombia? Today we'll discuss Santa Marta's historical and cultural background, as well as exciting things to do and locations you shouldn't miss when visiting this lovely city. Keep watching this video till the end if you want to learn more interesting things about Santa Marta. Santa Marta was founded in 1529 by the Spanish conqueror Rodrigo de Bastidas. It was Colombia's first Spanish settlement and the country's oldest surviving city. It is home to around 499,192 members of the indigenous ethnic group KOGI, ARHUACO, KANKUAMO, and WIWA. The diversity in landscapes, food, culture, and welcoming people is what makes Santa Marta so special. Santa Marta is located in the province of Magdalena on the Caribbean Sea's Santa Marta Bay. It is 992 kilometers from Bogota and 93 kilometers from Barranquilla. Perhaps you have heard Caribbean before in a famous film. Yes, the Caribbean was the epicenter of pirates during the golden age of piracy. While sailing in the Caribbean, you may pretend to be Jack Sparrow and make the best out of your stay in Santa Marta. If you can't decide between the mountains and the beach, Santa Marta is the perfect place for you because it has both. Colombia's Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, the world's tallest coastal mountain range, has traveled 1,367 miles from Peru to northern Colombia in the previous 170 million years. There are 3 political states, 11 municipalities, 2 national parks, and 3 indigenous reserves within the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. It is also designated as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Cristobal Colon Peak, which rises 19,029 feet above sea level, and Simon Bolivar Peak, which reaches 18,947 feet above sea level, are the 2 largest summits in the Santa Marta range. Santa Marta has a hot, semi-arid environment with fairly consistent temperatures throughout the year, which attracts people who enjoy moderate weather. So you can enjoy any part of the year and schedule a visit that suits your busy life. The region is frequently crowded from June to September, as people try to escape the summer heat and enjoy their holidays. Tayrona National Park is a must-see while visiting Santa Marta. The park covers an area of approximately 30 square kilometers of marine territory in the Caribbean Sea, as well as 150 square kilometers of land. It is an exquisite setting, combining a diverse range of landscapes in a single location. You can go trekking in Tayrona National Park's mountains, which are covered in beautiful green blankets, or simply sit on the beach and listen to the mesmerizing sound of the waves. Crystal Beach is a little bay in Tayrona National Natural Park with crystal clear water and stunning views that make it impossible to look away. According to a survey, Tayrona Park was the second most visited national park in Colombia in 2019, with 458,755 visitors. Afterward, COVID-19 immensely affected the number of visitors. Rodadero Beach matches the brochures showing top tourist destinations in Colombia. This beach is popular not only in Santa Marta but across the Caribbean region as well. If you enjoy water sports and sand play, you should certainly consider visiting Rodadero Beach. Chilling on the beach, build a sandcastle with your children under the splendid sun and refreshing sea breeze. If you're traveling with your family, this beach offers hotel services for visitors that aren't too far away, so you can go to your hotel without having to drive too far. The best part about Rodadero is it has so many trees at the beachfront, so you can just rent a chair and sit in the shade while reading your favorite book or listening to music. If you are a fan of adventure, don't forget to visit Ciudad Perdita, meaning the Lost City. Ciudad Perdita is an archaeological site in Santa Marta, remarkable in its vastness and complexity. An 80-acre property with terraces, stone walkways, several little circular plazas, and canals. It's believed to have been founded in 800 CE, some 650 years before Machu Picchu. Cool, right? Colombia's lost city was home to an ancient people, the Tayrona. This area is also referred to as Tayrona and Buritica 200. You can only reach this site by climbing 1,200 stone stairs amid the dense forest. For hiking, Ciudad Perdita could be a perfect choice. As you slowly ascend the Sierra foothills, you'll get a wonderful opportunity to swim in the Divine River, visit inhabited native settlements, and watch in awe the exquisite scenery of the dense scenery of the exquisite Colombian rainforest. Scuba diving is another interesting sport that you may do while in Santa Marta. Taganga, a little fishing village 10 minutes north of Santa Marta, is a popular day trip along the coast. It gives you a laid-back feel of the countryside, and many people have come here to learn to scuba dive. If you're new to scuba diving, you won't have any trouble finding the most affordable professional association of diving instructors (PADI) open water diving courses here. Besides that, if you like connecting with the ancestors of this Colombian city, you should put the Museo del Oro Tayrona Gold Museum on the list. It receives over 500,000 visitors every year. It surely is a tourist trap. The museum is situated in the renovated 16th century-old customs house, Casa de la Aduana, one of Santa Marta's earliest structures and a significant relic in its own sense. The museum has a fascinating collection of pre-Columbian gold jewelry and many displays about the region's history. Entering the magical building of the museum, you'll be transported to the world of golden artifacts, including ceramics and cultures. You can visit the Tayrona Gold Museum from Tuesday through Sunday, from mid-morning to late afternoon. The plus point is that access is free. If you intend to stay in Santa Marta for a few days or weeks, you will surely want to find lodgings that is both pleasant and convenient. So let us have a look at our top 3 recommendations for you. If you are carrying a large amount of luggage and visiting with your family, this condo might suit you well, as it's just 10 minutes from Santa Marta's airport. This private beach club condo is located in the Samaria Club de Playa Resort in Pozos, Colorado. It consists of 3 bedrooms with comfortable beds and 2 bathrooms. Apart from the breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea and Sierra Nevada mountains, it offers Wi-Fi, 2 HD TVs, and common area amenities that include swimming pools, hot tubs, sauna, Turkish bath, gym, game room, restaurants, and direct access to the beach. Also has proximity to shopping malls and restaurants. If you're visiting Santa Marta with a partner or even on your own, you should definitely consider staying in this luxurious apartment that has a breathtaking seaside view. It covers an area of 11 square feet. This apartment has 2 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. The elegant, chic apartment has facilities like air conditioning, internet, and TV, and you don't have to worry about parking because it has a parking area. If you prefer to make your own meals, this rental includes a kitchen and dining space for up to 6 people. The third rental on our recommendation list is this fancy house. It has 2 bedrooms with a luxury of a pool in the middle of the living room. This house lets you enjoy the real charm of Santa Marta, as staying there feels like you're sailing in the boat. The airflow around the house does the job. If you're a writer, you'll definitely come up with some extraordinary ideas while sitting at your desk in this house, surrounded by the paintings of stunning artists decorated all around the house. All in all, Santa Marta has a lot to offer with its surreal landscapes, spectacular beaches, majestic mountains, and Caribbean vibes. Besides that, you get the chance to experience various cultures. If you enjoy both beaches and mountains, Santa Marta is an excellent choice. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and head to Santa Marta, where you can enjoy fun activities like skating, boating, swimming, hiking, and visiting museums. The tourism services also contribute to a more delightful visit. If you enjoyed our video and want to see similar content in the future, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.